Hey guys, Beth Star here with the Star team at LPT Realty, standing outside our beautiful new listing. This one is 1275 Winstead Road in Torrington, Connecticut. It is a lovely 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath style townhouse. It's got a 1-car attached garage, partially finished lower level. It's even got 3rd floor space, a nice private deck, great open floor plan in the kitchen area, dine-in kitchen. It's got a little electric fireplace in there too. Nice, convenient location. Really great floor plan here. Lots of storage space too. This one is priced to move. These sellers say sell. It won't last long. You better give us a call, 860-325-2484, or visit us on our website at starteam.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.